Beautiful large one bedroom flush in this entrance. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. There's a closet here, another closet here. Beautiful kitchen, renovated. That's the exhaust. A large bedroom, you can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. Another double door closet here. Another closet here, linen closet, bathroom all renovated, very clean. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Elevator, laundry in the building. Very close to the 7 train. An apartment is very good price, gotta go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.